What's up, foodie friends? It's healthy dessert time. Today we're going to slice up some apple wedges and make some crispy apple fries. Grab your favorite graham crackers and we're going to crush them up. I like to use the little Ninja mini chopper. It works really good, but it'll crush it into a nice coating for the apples. See how efficient this little machine is? It's so good. Now place your graham cracker crumbs in a bowl and add some brown sugar. Mix it up. In a second bowl, add an egg and whisk it up. You're going to have one more bowl for cornstarch. So you're going to have crumbs, cornstarch, and egg batter. First, dip your apple wedge in cornstarch. Then dip it in an egg wash. Now dip it in your crumbs. Coat all of your apple wedges in the crumbs and set them aside and get them ready to air fry. Preheat your air fryer, give it a spritz of olive oil, and start laying your slices in the basket. Cook for 8 minutes, but at the halfway mark, which is 4 minutes, give them a flip. These crispy treats are ready to go. Now get out your caramel and your whipped cream. These taste like mini apple pie bites. They're so delicious.